We've got breaking news now. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been sentenced in New York to 25 years in prison for multi-billion-dollar fraud. So I want to bring back now former prosecutor Andrew Cherkasky. We are reaching out to him, and he'll be up with me in a moment. But this was something that's been going on in court all morning long. And the question has been, would they hit someone in this category, in this lane, who had done so much with people's nest eggs? Sure, there were a lot of people who had, wealthy bank accounts, so on and so forth. But there were also people who trusted that what Sam Bankman-Fried was telling them was true. And what we've seen today, as soon as we get Andrew to join me again, the one thing I would want to know is this a statement sentence, 25 years? Is this in concert with all of those charges of multi-billion-dollar fraud? How do we sit right now with this very big sentencing? And there were so many people who were taken down, bank accounts. There were celebrities who were also brought into this as potential victims of some of the decisions that he made and led. Andrew Cherkasky now, what do you make of 25 years behind bars?
Well, it's a mitigated sentence. The government had asked for upwards of 50 years. He was looking for a much more minimal sentence. He did exercise his allocution rights, meaning Sam Bankman-Fried came before the court. He apologized. He talked about how difficult this has been. The judge recognized his autism and some of the other matters of mitigation that he raised. So I think this is kind of splitting it right down the middle, 25 years being half of what the government was looking for.
Is it a statement?
It's not so much a statement as much as it's a reflection of kind of the facts here. Obviously, the government going for 50 years would have been a heavy sentence. This shows that there were pieces of mitigation here. And that there were victims. That's true.
Definitely. Andrew, thank you. Twice this hour. Appreciate you scooting in on the breaking news.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.